How to get the blue tick on Instagram account. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how you can get the Instagram's blue tick or the verified badge on Instagram account. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. First thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and from here, you just want to head over to your profile tab at the bottom right corner. And it is most ideal that you turn on the professional mode so that it's easier for you to get verified. Then you can just tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now, under your settings and activity, you will see for professionals, and here you will get the Meta verified account. If you don't see it, you can just search for verify. And once you search for it, you can find it on your settings menu like this. Just tap on request verification. And here you need to do certain steps. You need to complete certain steps. So what you need to do here is, first of all, request on Meta verification, and you will have to be on the wait list. So as you can see here, I'm on the waiting list and the countdown begins for a verification badge. So I'm just going to do that. Then under request verification, you can just enter your username. You can enter your full name. And then once you enter your full name, you can add a document type to verify your identity. It could be your driver's license, your passport, or your national identification card. And once you select your document type, you can just add it from your gallery. And on the category, you can do a certain selections here from news, media, sport, government, music, fashion, entertainment, gamer, and others. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on other. And then from here, you can just select your country or region. And on the audience, you can add what kind of audience you want to target. Then on the link, you can just select your social media link and paste if there is any particular website. And after you have done that, you can just tap on submit, and your request verification will be on the process. And if you're eligible, Instagram will notify you and you'll get the badge. That's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.